Hello guys, my name is Cosimo and I love to crochet. And today I'm going to teach you how to crochet the single crochet. So yeah, let's get going. Whee! So, as you guys probably know, single crochets make up majority of crochet. This is made all with single crochets. I'll show you a few of the things I've made right now that are made with single crochets. This guy was made with single crochets and the bubble stitch. You should go check out that video tutorial too. This guy right there was made with single crochets. This guy too was made with single crochets. Look at that detail. This guy was made with single crochets. So anyways, you understand my point. A lot of stuff needs single crochets to exist. And this also works with the row. I'm just showing you with the round because I love to do amigurumi. I like to make stuffed animals. Anyways, so I'll show you now how to do the single crochet. So as you know, normally with a normal stitch, there's a V. See right there the V? Boom, boom. Right? What you gotta do is you gotta go under those two loops like that. See? Then what you do is you yarn over, you pull through, and now you have two loops. Then you yarn over and you pull through those two loops. And that's a single crochet. See how easy it is? And it also makes a tiny V on the outside. You gotta look, especially with working in the round, which side you're working on, because single crochets have the nice side and the ugly side. It just, I don't know, it looks ugly. Like, yeah. So anyways, I'll show you a few more times and then we'll say bye-bye. So you go in to the next stitch, you yarn over and you pull through. Then you yarn over and you pull through those two loops. You go into the next stitch, you yarn over, you pull through, then you yarn over and you pull through those two loops. You go into the next stitch, you yarn over, you pull through, and then you yarn over and you pull through those two loops. You go into the next stitch, you yarn over, you pull through, and you yarn over and you pull through those two loops. And yeah guys, that's a single crochet. Now let's see you at the end. So yeah, as you can see, this is what you can make one day when you practice your single crochets. A little squirrel with cheeks, a runner, this guy's really cool, and a sushi. And I want to basically explain to you the why the single crochets are useful. So see, I made a sword, right? And to do this long, you had to just single crochet for a bunch of rounds down. So basically, single crochets help add bulk and not use too much of your yarn. They're like the average stitch that you use for everything. If you want to support me and get some of my patterns, you can go check out my Ravelry. It's in the link in the description. If you want to see more stitches, make sure to check out the stitches playlist, which will come in a second. So now, let's say bye. Okay, we'll see you later. Subscribe to Creature Crochet Studios. Bye! No.